Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to calculate rank in Excel. So if you are using Microsoft Excel and now you want to calculate ranks, okay, so how to do it in this video you will learn. Here you will see I have a three column, okay. Now first column is salesperson. These are the my salesperson's name, okay. Now second column is sales value, okay. So this is the sales value. This person provides this sales value and this person provides this sales value, and now I want to rank all the salesperson, okay. So how to rank these persons? What you have to do, you have to just go to this third column and the rank, then you have to type equals to, then you have to type rank, okay. Then you will see this formula, click on it, then it will ask first number, okay. So this is the number of the sales value of this person, okay. So just click on it, now comma. Now it will ask for reference. So the reference is from this cell 6 to E6 to E13, okay. Now what you have to do, you have to lock this both cells, okay, so that when we drag down the formula, it will remain same, okay. So what you have to do, you have to just press F4, okay, and then you should lock also second. E6 and E13 should be locked, okay. So dollar this dollar symbol means the cell is locked. Now you have to just click on comma, okay. Now you have to select order. Descending order means the ranking will start from 1, okay, means the person who have highest cell will get 1, okay, first rank. And ascending order means the person who will get highest uh, sales or who has highest sales value will get last. Means if I has here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 persons, so the highest sales value person will get 8th rank. So I want this descending order, means the highest sales value person will get first rank, okay. Just click on it, then bracket close and enter, okay. Now you will see that this person has 6th rank in sales value, okay. So this person is first. So like this you can calculate rank in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.